The ring fits over your saw's arbor. It is a spacer between the inner flange and the safety guard. Over time, the ring can wear. This can allow the inner flange to rub against the guard. The ring can be accidentally lost when changing the saw blade. Replacing the ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the saw. With the blade removed, I can remove the inner flange. The ring is behind the inner flange. I'll use some pliers to remove it. Now I can install the new ring. I place the ring over the arbor, and it should sit down against the bearing. And I'll reinstall the inner flange. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the blade. And that's how simple it is to replace the ring on your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.